This video I'm going to teach you how to create menu in WordPress Elementor. So in here, the first thing you need to do is head over to elementor.com, log in or create an account. So next thing is to head over to wordpress.com. So WordPress right here can host Elementor, so you can integrate Elementor to this part. Just log in if you already have an account, but if you do not have one yet, click on this get started option that we can see right here. I already have an account, so let me show you what my page looks like. This is what my Elementor editor looks like on my About Us page. So into this part, let me head over and create a menu. You can click onto this plus icon, click onto this search widgets, and search in here for menu. You can see menu anchors, menu, nav menu, as well as menu card. So in here, you can see that some of this is locked by the spot lock icon, which means that it's only available if you have the Elementor Pro subscription. So if you're actually on the Elementor free, you can add or link some of it on a text. So on my case, you can actually add menu, but if you already have Elementor Pro, so on this part, let me just head over and use this on the Elementor free by adding some text. Click onto this plus icon here again. Click onto this heading and let's add it right around here. Let's change in here the title. For example, let's put in here products. And you can also change the style and make this smaller if you want. So you have in here these three options. You can just click onto this options, click onto this advanced, and you can see in here the layouts, motion effects, marks, and the likes. So you can also right click on it and then add in here a link and serve it as a menu anchor. Click on this plus icon and then add a menu anchor for this one and then link it to a specific part of the section or page that you wish to have. You can put right here the ID for that menu anchor. Let's name it products. And then it will be saved through that part and integrated as a menu if you have Elementor free plan. So that's how you create menu in WordPress Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.